Hey guys, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to log in to VK account. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, launch VK application on your mobile device. Now once you are here on the app's interface, and in case if you haven't saved your login information on your VK application, what you simply have to do is add your phone number or email address that you had used to create your VK account, or you can simply sign in with your Apple ID as well. So for now, let me just enter my phone number as I used my number to create my VK account. So let me enter my number here. Now after entering in your detail, simply tap on Login. After that, you will be directed to this page where you have to enter your account's password. So now let me enter my password. And after you have entered your password, simply tap on Continue at the bottom. Now let's wait for some time as this may take a while. Now after some time, you will be logged into your VK account. And as you can see that I have successfully been logged into my VK account as well. So that's all for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.